Hi, boys and girls. We're going to do reading for Tuesday, June 2nd. All right, we've been learning about chickens, how they start with an egg and then they hatch and grow into a chicken. So we're going to sing our little song. It's sung to the tune of I'm a Little Teapot. 1, 2, ready, go. I'm a little chicken ready to hatch. I peck at my shell with a scratch, scratch, scratch. When I crack it open, out I'll leap and fluff up my feathers, cheep, cheep, cheep. And we have the little picture of the eggs and the little chick. And if you remember the pictures that we looked at yesterday, when the chicken is inside the egg, it's not real cute, is it? Looks a little weird. This is the baby when it's first starting to be a baby. Okay? And then, here's how they hatch out. They start pecking. Okay? And then they get this really soft down feather fluffiness to them. That's when they're super cute and super soft. And we learned that they cheep constantly so that their mother can find them. And we'll finish this book in a minute. Let's learn our vocabulary for the week. This word says strut. To walk in a very proud way. They strut. Brood. A group of birds born at the same time. A brood. Okay. Week. And this is not like the days of the week. This is weak, like not very strong. Like when you're sick, you don't feel good, you don't feel like you have much energy. That's what weak means. This word is peck. To pick up quickly with a beak. Peck. So chickens will peck at their feed on the ground, or they'll peck at the dirt to catch worms. And not only will they pick things up when they peck, but we learned that the baby chicken will peck its way out of a shell. So it's kind of like a tapping. Replace. To take the place of. And this guy is replacing a tire. But a lot of things can be replaced. Okay, let's finish our story, our nonfiction story. It's full of facts about chickens. Let's finish it. In 2 to 3 weeks, real feathers begin to replace the chick's soft down. The chicks are growing up. They spend more and more time away from their mother. In just 5 months, young hens will be ready to start laying eggs. They're only 5 months old when they lay their own eggs. Think of a 5-month-old human. They're still a baby. They can't even talk. Can't even walk. They're still in diapers. The animal world is a lot different than the human world. They grow up fast. All chickens squawk and cluck, but roosters are the loudest of all. At dawn, a rooster puffs out his chest and crows as loudly as he can. He seems to be telling the world how important he is. Roosters do have an important job. By mating with hens, they help a new generation of chickens to be born. And that is a big rooster. You can see he's kind of got a big group of tail feathers. Roosters crow in the morning. They're kind of like nature's alarm clock. So So if you live on a farm and you have a rooster, I bet the rooster will wake you up in the morning. Can you put these in order? Okay, so in order of what happens first in the life of a little chick. Let's see, we've got eggs in the middle. So I think maybe that happens first. And the hen is sitting on eggs right here, brooding. And then do you remember what the baby looks like first inside? This one right here. Looks kind of like a chicken alien. Right there. And then when it first pecks its way out, it looks like this one, which reminds me of some kind of dinosaur baby. Goofy looking. And then they look like this. Super cute and cuddly. Then they look like this. And then they grow up to look like this. There's an old saying, which came first, the chicken or the egg? So we could say that maybe the chicken was here first, then the eggs, and then everything else. But we know that the baby chicken starts out inside of an egg, so we'll just go with that, okay? Oh, they showed us the answer. It's kind of a cycle. They don't really have a first or a last. But if we are to look at the eggs first, and then it just goes around, just like Miss Skinner was telling you. But it doesn't really say first or last. It just points in a circle direction. Okay, so that is the life of a chicken. What was your favorite page? Mine was this one. All right, in your packet, you've got a booklet. You've done these before. It's the ones that your best option is to cut on this space in the middle and then look at the numbers to put them together. It's called Chicken Life Cycle. And we have sight words in the sentences. And then if you look at the pictures, it will help you. I'll read the first couple pages with you. I see a group of chickens. Okay? So remember, find your sight words. Sound out words you don't know. Look at the pictures. I'll read the next one with you. I see a, and it's the circle that I showed you, which is the chicken life cycle. I see a chicken life cycle. So the word chicken has CH at the beginning. Ch, ch, ch. Okay? So you are going to cut this out. Look at the numbers on the bottom. Put it in order. This is your cover. This is your last page. And then practice reading it to yourself. Practice reading to anybody in the house. Read it as many times as you want. All right, that's your reading for today. Good job, boys and girls.